Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and prepare for deep stretching. Fold forward and release your spine. Reach long and deepen side stretch. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sink low and stretch your hips. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch hamstrings slowly and deeply. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Press down and lengthen legs. Lift leg and extend through body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Melt chest down and open shoulders. Fold forward and stretch whole back. Open hips and relax deeply. Fold slowly and stretch inner legs. Reach sideways and lengthen spine. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit tall and reset posture. Lift hips and stretch front body. Rock gently and open hips. Lift legs and ease body tension. Rest deeply and enjoy calm stillness. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.